Finally, a sport quad returns to the channel. This is a 2003 LTZ-400. I've had this thing for almost exactly a year now. It's actually been just over a year. And it's pretty much the ugliest quad I could possibly buy off Facebook Marketplace, but I got it for a decent deal. It's had a lot of work done to it. I'll go into that at a later time. Might not be in this video, maybe in the next video, but she purrs now. It didn't purr too well when I first got it. Had a bunch of stuff done, maybe not a bunch of stuff, but it's had a few things done to it. I plan on building this quad, or making her look nice rather. I don't know about building it, but it's so strange being on a sport quad, because the last sport quad I was on was my 400EX. This Suzuki has a dual overhead cam engine, makes 5 more horsepower than the 400EX did. But she's got some temp in her step too. Having issues with this thing not running quite right. It's running just a hair rich. I'm hoping to get those issues fixed. Let's see what this old Suzuki's got. 19-year-old sport quad. So, there we go. Them front brakes are touchy. Waiting on this moment right here for just over a year now, and I'm finally getting to enjoy this thing, man. Right now it's running fantastic. Cannot wait to start taking this thing off and actually riding rather than just around the house. Missed a sport quad bad. I'm telling you, this 400 sport motor, she's got some kick behind her. I'm about to come back here and pick up all these sticks. I just stalled her out. first time I've ever really taken it up and down the road like that. I do really look forward to, you know, dumping a little bit of money into this thing and making it look real nice. Obviously, I know it's probably about the ugliest quad I could have bought off Marketplace, at least where I'm at the time. But I don't care, man. This thing, it's fun, and I got it for a decent deal. It feels good being back doing YouTube. I know I kind of took a break there for a while, but all of my machines are kind of down. The Polaris is kind of out, having some electrical issue with it. We can't get any of the electronics to work. So got the Suzuki running finally, running good.